Hello everyone, welcome to another one of my London walking videos. I am at Piccadilly Circus at the moment and I'm walking towards Leicester Square because I want to go and have a look at the Christmas night market at Leicester Square. Actually, there is a Christmas night and day market at every corner of London at this particular moment, I think. Christmas is a time when you will find that there's a street market, corner store, shops, everyone's open up for business, selling anything and everything you can think of for Christmas. But Leicester Square is the nearest one to me, so that's where I'm heading. These are some beautiful Christmas lights that sort of line the street towards Leicester Square. It's really nice. It looks like some massive stars shining above you. And actually all the streets in central London lights up for Christmas. It's really nice. I've actually done various videos on it, so check it out.
Three children in the car. It's about raspberry, so I went there.
video now. I am done with my window shopping of the market. I'm heading now into Chinatown, but I will be doing a separate video on Chinatown, so watch out for my Chinatown video. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I'll catch up with you in the next video. See you then, bye.